Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to sign email documents on your iPhone. First, open the email containing the document you need to sign. Next, tap on the attached document to open it in a preview window. Once the document is open, locate and tap the markup icon, which looks like a pen tip, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. This will activate the editing tools. After tapping the markup icon, you'll see various editing tools. To add your signature, tap the plus sign icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that pops up, select Signature. If you've signed documents before, you can choose an existing signature. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to create a new one using your finger. Once you've created or selected your signature, it will appear on the document. You can easily drag it with your finger to the exact spot where it needs to be placed. To adjust its size, simply use the blue dots located at the corners of the signature box. Drag these dots inward or outward to make the signature larger or smaller, ensuring it fits perfectly. After placing and resizing your signature, tap the Done button, usually found in the top left corner of your screen, to save your changes. You'll then be presented with options like Reply All, New Message, or Save File To. Choose to send the signed document back as an email attachment or save it to your files for future use. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.